Joining us right now is Mr. Naren Kachroo from Google Cloud. Hello, sir. Welcome at ETCI or CDO Conclave. First of all, your thoughts about the event.
Thanks, Vishal. I think it's a fantastic event. I mean, the kind of crowd we have gathered here is just, top industry leaders, our business partners that you have, the IT companies that are present here. Just amazing how you were able to pull such a varied and such a diverse and such a senior level of decision makers in one room to hear about this. Just really phenomenal.
Now, the theme which we have for today's event is driving business innovation and culture transformation. What are your thoughts about that?
I think, and I'll speak on, pivot it on generative AI. That's what I do for a living. The generative AI, I think, is going to be one of the most important interventions of technology in the history of human mankind. If you look at it from that perspective, the ability to drive change now is more than it was ever before. And for that, the culture that has to change within the organization. First, people have to start accepting that this is the new reality and that AI and generative AI interventions are going to be the norm and the theme going forward. So I think cultural change and driving it top down and also surfacing it bottoms up is going to be most critical. I think the theme is well thought out and it's opportune for the times that we live in.
Now, a few minutes back, you took the stage and you addressed our viewers, right, at the audience at the conference. Any key takeaways that you would like to reshare with our viewers?
I think one of the most important things is, all the agentic interventions that we spoke about as far as generative AI is concerned. Somebody told me a story, Vishal, recently that, which is the most important company that emerged after refrigeration was invented. And the answer to that is Coca-Cola. So the large language models by itself, all the LLM wars that are going on, I think that's not where the business value of AI interventions is. The business value of AI interventions is when you create agentic systems that are able to take action on your behalf and include them in your customer journeys, your consumer journeys, make your customers' life easier and make your processes more efficient and simpler. So I think the agentic framework and the agentic workflows that are going to emerge coming out of AI, I think are going to be the most significant innovation and intervention for companies around the world.
Thank you so much for sharing those thoughts, and I hope you enjoy the conference as well.
Thank you, Vishal. Really.
Thank you so much, sir.